Hi, you guys. This is Kiki, owner of Egyptian E-Collection. Another video. I think my mic is about to die, so we are pressing another picture on another shirt, you guys. If this goes out, I'm gonna have to take it out, but we're pressing on another Happy Bunny shirt. You guys, I'm sorry about that. I was trying to see about charging the other piece. So it says you're not in any position to get on my nerves, because people at work do be trying to get on my nerves, but I'm gonna remind them you're not in any position to get on my nerves. And that is the end of this video. It's really short, you guys, because I'm really tired, and I just wanna relax tonight. So yeah, you guys. I'll see you in another video. Bye.